Hi, I'm going to introduce you Millbrook Resort today. This is the room that we booked. It's a luxury room, obviously, you can tell. It comes with a fireplace, very beautiful decor. This is obviously the living room. And then the unique part, you're going while looking for the TV. The TV is just here. Voila. So if you're not a TV person, don't worry, don't stress about it. You have a little kitchen there. The view is starting over here. And you have a little kitchen over there for your comfort. It comes with good quality coffee and things. And we swing around. Then you got a lovely landscape here. And then let me show you the room. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous bedroom. Obviously, it's good for couples, family, and your honeymoon, whatever you want it to be. And the view obviously is stunning again. And you even can see some snow caps on the mountain. What do you think so far? Isn't that exciting? If you have a chance trying to book Millbrook Resort, this will be the good place. I hope you like it, so see you next time.
True for a lot of young people who may be questioning their identity for one reason or another. The reason that you really love it is because it's time for it to